It's a thunderstorm. It's a lightning. Yeah. Time for good night. Yeah, what's happening out there? It's time for good night. Hi. What's that? It's a rainstorm. Yeah. It's a rainstorm. What's happening, Milo, teeny? It's a rainstorm. Yeah. Yeah. You don't like the rainstorm? Is it scary? Is it scary? Scary for you? Yeah. Maybe it's exciting you. You like it? Wow. Yeah, rainstorm. Yeah. Rainstorm. Okay, you don't like the rainstorm or what? Oh, look at it outside. Don't. Look up. Yeah. What we? Ooh. Milo teeny. Are you excited? Are you excited, my bumblebee? What's that? I know you're excited. Hi, Mama. Hi. You like it, boo-boo? Are you getting excited? What's there, Milo teeny? What's there? Wow.
Come here.
Wow.
Come here, Brie.
Do you hear it? Do you hear it? Do you hear the thunders rolling? Do you hear it? The thunder's rolling. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's like really coming down. Is that focus? I don't know if that'll focus outside. Go down. Say hi. Milo teeny, say
What's that?
yeah. Boop, 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 boop. Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Hi, Milo teeny. What's that? Oh, hi, my Brie. What's that, Mama? What's happening over there? It's a little rainstorm, boo-boo. Oh, yeah, you like it? Hi, Mama. You like it? Guys, can you hear that? Thunderstorms? Like, can you hear? Wow. It's coming down so hard. Well, who's that? Hi. Ooh. Did you see that lightning? Oh my goodness, Milo. Did you see the lightning, boo-boo? It's scary. Scary. It's getting darker outside too. I don't know if you guys see. Whoa. Whoa, that was loud. That was loud. Wow. Holy Milo. Wow, Milo teeny. You're not scared of it, are ya? You're enjoying it. He's enjoying it, guys. I thought he'd be more scared, but I do tend to put him by the window whenever it rains, so I guess he's kind of used to the noise by now. If you didn't already know, I love the rain when I'm indoors, of course. Don't want to be caught in the rain. I think I went over this with you guys, but when I'm sitting inside, I love the rain. So I'll like leave all my windows open so I can hear the sound of the rain, the sound of the thunder and lightning. Oh, I just love it so much. And clearly my feathered baby loves it too. Ooh, like mama, like son, right? Coco is sitting, oh, he's here actually. Come on, you want to see the lightning? Do you want to see it or no? You can come too, I'll show you. Come. No, I'm talking to Coco. Coco, you want to come? You don't want to? Okay, bye. You built? You're not scared? Hey, 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 come. You want to come or no? Okay. Back to the window I go. Milo, you want to come back here? Come. Can I get a kiss, baby? Can I get a kiss? Thank you. Thank you. Oh, so many kisses. Wow. Can I get another kiss? Oh, look at your stance. You're such a drama king. You know that? Give me a kiss. Careful, careful. Scary. Coco's sitting there. He's not liking it.